Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're a fan of pour over coffee, you're gonna love this little December coffee dripper. So this is a pour over coffee dripper made from stainless steel, and this thing is really cool. So I love the simple design and the fact that you can change the speed at which your coffee is brewing. So you can really fine tune this for whatever type of brew you like. So it works very simply by just twisting the base from the top, and what that does is open and closes more of these little holes on the inside. You are able to more quickly or slowly brew your coffee based on the amount of holes that you have open. So very simple design, but it works really well. Our coffee always comes out tasting amazing. We use this almost every day, unless we're making a larger amount of coffee, then we'll use a bigger pour over maker. But really for two people every day, this is what we use, and we absolutely love it. So if you're a fan of pour over, check this out. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.